Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Natural Nasheka, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 2 remedies you can use to help get rid of your cold and also a cough. So these 2 recipes are pretty simple, easy for anyone as long as you have the ingredients at home. It's all natural and you don't need to worry about anything. No medicine, no any of that. Okay guys, so this is something that I grew up on. One of them is something that I grew up on taking anytime we got a cold. My stepdad used to make this for us all the time if we had a cold. Very quick and easy, and if you take it, you're done. The cold is gone. You'll be better in a matter of days. So this is why I'm going to show you guys how to make this simple, I'll call it a cold tonic. So stay tuned if you want to see what I'm making for you guys today. So the first thing I'm gonna be making for you guys today, everyone should know how to make this, and it's very simple. All you need is 2 ingredients, which is lemons, a good old lemon, and some water. Now you need good water to do this. It doesn't make sense you're gonna go ahead and get tap water. We don't buy bottled water. We have a filter that we put our water through, so we get the water from the tap and we put it in our filter to filter out everything. So we're basically drinking clean, fresh water. So that's what we drink here in our home. Now for this, all I'm simply making is lemon water. Yes, it's that simple. And my husband has been sick for the past couple weeks now. It started off with a simple cold. Now the cold is pretty much gone. He's not, he doesn't have that bad cold anymore, but it's down now to a cough. It still has a little bit of cold, but it's not as bad as when it just started. So this is what I've been making him for the past couple of days, and it has been helping. So the first thing I do is make him some lemon water, and he has that to drink. He takes a bottle to work. He takes a bottle to work with him in the mornings, and he has more when he gets home. It's in the refrigerator, so the lemon has been soaking in the water all day, so that's good. Okay, so for my containers that I put the lemon water in, I have 2 water bottles. These are glass water bottles, and I do wash them in hot water to sterilize them each time he uses them because he's still sick. So yeah, so I use those. 1 lemon. Since I'm making 2 bottles today, I'm gonna use 1 lemon, cut it in half, and use half for each bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill the bottles up with the water, and then I'll show you guys what's the next step. Okay guys, so I have filled up my 2 bottles here with water, and I'm gonna go ahead now and continue with the next step, which is cutting up the lemon. I did not fill the bottles all the way up to the top because we're gonna add the lemons in, and I might have to throw some out because you're gonna need space to shake the bottles up when you're done. Okay guys, so I have cut my lemon in half. I'm going to use half for 1 bottle and half for the other. So all you're going to do is just de-seed the lemon. You don't want any seeds in there, so just take out the seeds and put them one side. don't have a cold or anything, this is a good way to get your water intake each day. If you're a person who doesn't like to drink plain water, because I know persons like that who doesn't like the taste of water, even though water doesn't have a taste, but this is a good way to get your water in, is to infuse your water with fruits. So you can do cucumbers, you can do lemon, lime, whatever floats your boat. So this is a good way to get your water in. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the lemons to the water, and then I'll start on the next one. Okay guys, so once you are done with putting the lemons in the water, this is what you should have: your bottle with your lemons in it. And I think this also looks really cute. So, and I love the glass bottles, I love them. We've had this for a good while now. So all I do is shake them to get the water in, get the lemons infused in the water, and then I'll just put them in the refrigerator to sit, so you know all the juices will combine. So that's pretty much it. Lemon water, very simple, very easy, and it's really good. Tastes really good. So that's that. So for the second one, this is a sure way to get that nasty cold gone. So next thing I'm gonna make is my cold tonic, or whatever you want to call it, and this consists of three ingredients, just three, very simple. Everyone should have this at home, and the ingredients are lime, garlic, and honey. The three magic ingredients. That's all that's in there. Three simple ingredients that I think everyone should have at home. We always keep honey at home. We always have honey. Honey is one thing that's always in our house. And recently I started stocking up on lime and lemons. Those are always pretty good to have in the house as well. So I always have those on hand, so whenever I need them, I have them. Pretty easy to do, so I'm going to show you guys how to make that right now. Okay, so all you need now is your lime, and I'm using 2 lime because I want to make a big enough batch. And to get the maximum lime juice out of your lime is just to roll the lime. So roll your lime, get it soft. Alright, so what you're gonna do, cut your lime in half, and de-seed it if need be. I don't see any seeds right now, and it doesn't matter if seed gets in it because you're gonna blend it out anyways. And then I have my honey right here. I think this is about half a cup of honey. Then I have, and it all depends on how strong you want it. I'm adding 4 cloves of garlic, so I'm just gonna take the outer piece off and just cut this up a little bit smaller and then put them in the blender. guys, so once you're done putting all the ingredients in your mixer, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the cap on, and then we're gonna blend this up, and then we're pretty much done. I'm gonna shake it a bit to get the honey from the bottom of the container. So once you're done, I just remove the blade cap. Now I just put the regular cap on and just put this in the fridge and store it in the refrigerator. So when he gets home and after dinner, he can just take a shot before he goes to bed tonight, and then a shot in the morning. So I have him do 2 shots each day, one at night, one in the morning, and yeah, and he'll be good in no time. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. I showed you guys how to make 2 of these awesome remedies to help fight your cold and if you have a cough. So yeah, I hope you guys try these out. So you have your lemon water and your, I'm just gonna call it the cold tonic. You have your cold tonic right here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like videos like this where I show you how to make healthy food or any remedies like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on by hitting the bell once you subscribe, and leave all your comments down below. Question of the day is going to be, have you ever tried this mixture before? Let me know down below in the comment section if you have ever tried it. Are you going to try it? And if you do try it, please tag me on Instagram letting me know how it was, if it worked for you, and so on. So until my next video, bye guys.
Fingers down my side.